Here's a quick video on how to grab colors using ImageColorPicker.com. I have three tabs ready for you. One is ImageColorPicker.com. The other is my source file for my project from commonswikimedia.org. And the third tab is the project slide where I'm going to put these colors to work. So I start by copying the web address. One click should do it. And we will copy the whole web address. And then we're going to scroll down and look for the big black button, Use Your Image. Click on it. Now you can click either website URL or image URL, both will work. Click on it and then get inside the box, when the line is flashing. Then paste it in there. I'm going to use Control V to do that and click OK. Relax a moment while it loads. And then start choosing colors. I'm going to start with a nice shade of green. My background, I click on it. I scroll down and look for the hex decimal number. That's what hex represents. And I'm going to copy that using this copy button right here. Ready, set, click. It is now copied to the clipboard. So now I can switch over to my project, and this is going to become my background color. So I click on the background, choose background, open up color and go to the custom plus. Delete the old hexadecimal number and use Control V only. Right-click pasting or T-Rex pasting usually does not work. So Control V is the way to go. Click OK, click Done, and now I have a dark green background. Next, I'm going to do a border color. So I'm going to go back to Color Picker, scroll up to my picture here and get a shade of orange out of this cloud. Click on it. Go back over to my project. Nope, not yet. Don't be in a hurry there, Mr. Dellup. Go hex decimal number. Let's copy that new number. It is now on the clipboard, and now I'm going to switch over to my project. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and click on my shape and my photo and go to the border thickness tool and thicken up my borders so you can see it easily, and then use border color custom. Just like before, delete the old hex decimal number and Control V the new one in. Click OK, and now I have matching colors there. I'm going to Comet Crash into this shape, and I'm going to do the text as well. I'm going to bring it up to size 16, switch it over to Century Gothic real quick because I like that font. Thicken it up with the bold button, and now I'm going to go to the A tool and use that very same orange that I just made for my borders. That'll promote some unity. Last, I need a color for my shape, so I'm going to go back to Color Picker, and this time I'm going to get a very dark purplish blue kind of thing here, right out of this little mountain range way out there. And we'll scroll down and copy that hex decimal number. Copy, and it goes to the clipboard, so it's ready to work with. Jump back over here, click on my shape, go to Paint Bucket this time, click Custom Plus, delete the old number, Control V the new hex decimal number, click OK, and then we'll put it into a slideshow here, and you can enjoy the finished product there. That's how you use Color Picker to create unity in your presentation slides by grabbing color right out of the pictures. I like it.